In just a few simple steps, you will learn how to customize your desktop background, choose a brand new custom cursor, and add finishing touches to give your desktop that polished look. Hopefully, your desktop will go from this boring look to something like this in just a few minutes. And with all that out of the way, get subscribed, leave a like down below, and let's get started. First, let's customize our wallpaper. Let's go to rocksdynaster.com website, which is the website for Lively Wallpaper. And on this website, scroll down till you see the installer options. Here you can get the Lively Wallpaper app from Microsoft Store, or you can install it from the installer. Here I will go with the installer option, and here at the top right, you can already see that I have the exe file, and in the taskbar, I already have the installer running. Now in the installer, let's click OK on the English language. Click next here. I accept the agreement, click next. Here you can pick whichever folder you like to install the Lively Wallpaper. I will just leave this path to default. And now let's click next. Here I will uncheck create a desktop shortcut, and I will leave checked start with Windows. Now let's click next and install the Lively Wallpaper app. After the installation, I will leave checked launch Lively Wallpaper and click finished.